piece tonight. Morning. We're gonna steam some kale. We're not put no meat in there or nothing. Alright, we're gonna steam some kale. So we're gonna wash the kale with some, God, them pretty man. This kale not full of worm. But anyway, we're gonna wash them with some salt water in case there's any chemical or anything. 2 bags of kale. Alright, and we're gonna wash them with some salt water. Put some salt in the water and cut them up. I want to show you how you do it. Alright. Put a little salt in the water. Get rid of any chemical, any pests. Want more water. We're going to wash the kale and then we cut them up. A little salt in the water. Get rid of any chemical. Kale is very nice. We don't see it a lot in Jamaica. Probably down in the food parishes, Portland, St. Elizabeth. Alright. We don't see it a lot in our parish, St. Catherine. But I was able to find it. Alright. How do you do the kale? Dry it off the stick. Don't use the stick. Alright. So you draw out the stick. If you want to take out the stick, it no matter. But the stick part, not going to use, alright? Throw away the stick. See that? Not using the stick. Alright. Taking out the stick. Sometimes you dry it and it just come right down here, like this. You can just take off the stick like that. Sometimes you have to take it off the stick yourself. Alright? Like this, come off easy. Other times, see that? Just come off the stick. Sometimes you get trouble. Okay? Just dry it down off of the stick. Okay? Alright. Okay, it's very nice, and then we can cut them up when we draw them off of the stick. So if it give you a problem to come off of the stick, just, just peel them off the stick. So we don't eat the kale stick, alright? Yeah, he's coming off nice. Wash him properly. He's come off nice. That's a lot of hassle. That. And a little piece today, just pop him out. Had some the other day. It was very nice. Alright, so no meat. Just I'll cut up some natural seasoning in the kale and steam it. Alright. Just pull. Just pull. Just pull. We are going to eat some kale in the Sunday morning here with some dumpling and breadfruit. Alright? And I have some of my ackee and saltfish from last night. So we are cook up something in the morning here. Yes, go and search for my ackee and saltfish video. Nothing release it. Anyway, anywho, I think I'm finishing up, people. Yeah, I think I finished. I'm gonna search still, but I think I finished drying them off. So it's cutting up. Oh, I found one. I'm not finished one. Not finished at all. Kale for dinner, kale for breakfast. So you better can cook. You ready for your pretty looks? Alright. And see, I have some flour. Also, I have a what? Breadfruit. And if it, you know, it look like it could have roast. But I cook this morning. Now, I'm going to cut up my kale. Alright? Let me get rid of the water and come back, people. Alright. I'm just going to give my board a little wipe. And I'm ready to cut. Just hold them together. Same like color look. And I love how the knife here work. Because you knew. You see? A couple of days from now. No good. Dull. Can't get no good knife at all. See? My work perfect, you know. Once I run through. Some people cut their kale very fine. I don't want mine too fine, alright? If you like to cut your kale very fine, no problem. Not a problem. I love when my kale mince up. So we are going to eat kale and dumpling for dinner. No, it's not dinner, it's Sunday morning breakfast. The people just put enough kale together. I like what I want to look still, but I put that on one side. Come on, put enough kale together. Okay? Now to cut up, you know. Put a lot in your hand. Okay? Put enough fight in your hand. And cut. Alright? I say you better can cook. You there for your pretty looks. You want to leave a restaurant and come down man bank book. Cook. Recipe book. Kale and dumpling and breadfruit. Cut it how you want it. Fine, big, not a problem. Yes, so in the meantime, I put on the dumpling and the breadfruit. here we're putting some breadfruit. We have some dumpling at the pot already. Yeah, so we'll make that cook, and then we'll put the kale over on the other side and steam some kale. Alright, so let that go and cook. We'll cover the pot with one. Yeah, so we have a natural seasoning. Scallion, thyme, onion, scotch bonnet, and we have the kale. We have the kale cut up and ready. Our oil is hot. Don't burn out the seasoning. I don't like how my season burn too much. Just saute them. Alright, just burn them around in the oil a little. Get the flavors out of them, but don't burn them. Alright, kale is very easy to look about. It's like you're steaming callaloo. I want the season fried to it. Alright, and side it over there. You can see the breadfruit and the dumpling cooking. So, I'm going to put this in before my seasoning starts to burn. Now I'm going to add the kale. And this will shrink. If you can buy more than 2 pounds, more than 1 pound, because it depends on the amount of persons that you share it for. It shrink just like a lolly. So depending on the amount of persons it is going to. But this is very nice. Alright. Shrink just like celery. Shrink just like pop soy. See? Start to shrink already. See that? The pot was full. And now see that? Anyway, I'm going to put in some mix of seasoning. I'm just going to sprinkle a little. Season that mix up. You don't want to put too much seasoning of salt in there. Yeah, you don't want to put too much. Alright, so just a little mix of seasoning. Just a little mix of seasoning. Toss that around. Depending how you like it, kale. You like it soft, chewy. I don't know how you like it. Alright, you see our kale reduced to nothing. Our kale really reduced to nothing. Alright? We're just going to cover that down. I'm just going to cover that down. Alright, and it won't take long. Alright? Yes, people. This is the finished product. My kale and dumpling and breadfruit. Kale, dumpling and breadfruit. Lovely. Alright? And the kale tastes so nice. Alright? People, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you have been watching and you're not subscribing, what are you waiting for? Those who have already subscribed, thank you very much. Thank you, returning viewers. Please subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. Big up to all my viewers and subscribers.